Hey, it's good to see you. How was your long weekend? I just want to give you two quick updates on the Canada Recovery Benefits. First one, in case you're trying to apply for the benefit in this weekend, right now both CRA online portal and the automated phone line is down for maintenance. It started from Friday, October 16 to Monday, October 19, 6 a.m. Eastern Time. So yeah, if you have trouble logging in this weekend, don't worry, it's normal, just come back on Monday morning. And the second announcement is huge. Remember last week, I posted a video about the 7 case studies to see if you're qualified for EI or CRB. For case study 7, I said that if you're running out of EI, and that includes the regular benefits, the parental benefits, and the sickness benefit under the EI program, then there's a high chance you can apply for the CRB after. But that was not officially confirmed. So here's the good news. Now it has been confirmed that you can. According to Global News, the official answer is people who have exhausted their EI, who currently cannot find a job because of COVID-19 and meet the requirement may claim the Canada Recovery Benefits. Also, the CRA will update their screening questions. Before, there were 2 key questions. You start working because of COVID, and 2, your income is 50% less compared to before. So now they will add 1 more questions about running out of the EI. And just in case you want to hold off your application until the updates, you have a 60 days window to apply. Meaning, if you're qualified for CRB between the late September to early October, for example, you have until early December to apply. So here you go, in case you're not sure whether if you can apply for CRB after your EI is done. Question for you. This is most likely be my last video talking about the EI and the CRB. I want to go back to my original schedule, which I talk about retirement strategies, personal finance, investment, insurance, and many more. What do you like to know more? I will create a poll later this week, so stay tuned for that. Or if you have something you want to know more about, comment below. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.